Hey guys, SPC West Virginia 291 here. Guess why I'm pissed today? So, I live in southern West Virginia. Tornado warnings are rare. And when I finally get one, I freaking missed it. I literally missed it. Like, I'm so upset right now. Like, you guys don't even understand. Especially when you live in an area where they're as rare as me. It's literally painful. It hurts my soul. It's so that's why I am upset today, because of that. For context, y'all, that was also my third one. I missed all three. Like, how is that even physically possible? Whatever, here's the tornado warning without the tone.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Allegheny County in west central Virginia, south central Greenbrier County in southeastern West Virginia, northeastern Monroe County in southeastern West Virginia, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Glaze, or near Ronceverte, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Allegheny, Ronceverte, Roaring Mountain Summit, Glaze, Potts Creek, Greenbrier State Forest, and Oregon Cave. This is a severe thunderstorm watch.